How to fix Roblox no sound doorbell. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the no sound issue in Roblox, and here are 4 solutions that you can try. First of all, you can go ahead and install the volume mixer. Open your computer and search for volume mixer, launch the application and go to the system settings. Click on the reset button and check if this resolves the sound issue. You can also try updating the audio drivers. If the problem persists, search for Device Manager on your computer and then locate the section labeled as Audio Inputs and Outputs. Click on the arrow to expand this section and right-click on each audio device listed and select Update Driver. And this will update the drivers for all of your audio devices. Another potential cause of this issue could be voice meter. Search for Add or Remove programs on your computer. And if you have voice meter installed on your device, simply click on it and select uninstall. Restart your PC after uninstallation. Finally, search for Add or Remove programs again and look for Roblox in the list and then click on it and choose uninstall. After uninstalling, visit the Roblox website to reinstall the game on your device. I hope the solutions help you resolve the sound issue. If you found this information useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.